Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We got the Knight Road Storm, newest ball. Got the infamous high road core with the REX cover, which I believe is on the dark code also, so a pretty strong cover matched up with this high RG core. I'm gonna get on the lanes, see what it looks like. Alright guys, we're here with this Knight Road. The layout I put on this is a 4 3/4 inch pin to PAP above the fingers. I seen some video before I got to shoot this one. Guys were kind of thinking it was really slow. Not what they were expecting, but I'm gonna tell you, I already threw it a couple times and it is not slow. We'll see what we got here. It is clean. I'm thinking a couple of videos I watched by some guys, they might have had a fresh cover with a 4K fast that came from the factory. Mine came a little shinier. It might have been the end of the pads they used from the factory, but this ball actually rolls exactly how I thought it would roll. And it's great for what I've been using so far. It's not super angular, but it gets there. This was a fresh pattern, but we're filming 3 balls a day. We just got done on this pair with the Supernova, so we already started breaking it down a little bit. So this might be a good time for this ball to fit right in down the lanes. Try and get right in the middle part right here. Should be fine, I'm thinking. Okay. Okay. I think we've already beat up the middle part of the lane a little bit with that Supernova, so we're going to keep going left with it. I honestly think my favorite part about this Knight Road is that it's black. You guys know I've said it before. I just don't think there's ever been a bad black bowling ball. I don't have any swirls to visually mess with your eyes. There you go. Some guys said it was really slow and they weren't getting a good read off of it, but maybe it's just where they were bowling at, or I don't know, the patterns they were on. This is just a regular house shot. This is a higher friction house. But I did use it at a different house the first night I drilled it 2 days ago, and it didn't have any problem slowing down. It got down lane and rolled over really nice. I mean, what more do you want? I mean, you guys can see it as well as I do. It ain't slow. Smooth enough. It's not a hockey stick, but it gets there. I think it's going to get there on multiple patterns. And it'll probably take any kind of surface you want on it. If you really want to slow it down, you can probably hit it with some surface. If you want to get a little more responsive, you know, hit it with the little polish. Ringer. I think this ball will work. Alright, this ball will work really good, probably right out of the gate. Like, you can, as soon as they're fresh. I mean, that's pretty much money in the bank. I don't know what more you can ask for. Keep moving left until it runs out. I'm sure it'll lose traction farther I go, but we'll see how far we can get it. Woo, that's nasty. So this REX cover was on the dark code, and my first dark code I had came polished from the factory before they did the 4K fast, and it didn't match up well for me at all. rolled fine, just got 9 a lot for me, so I ended up ordering another one with the 4K fast, and that dart code was absolutely awesome. So I knew with this strong of a cover, if they were going to bring this Night Road with the 4K fast, it was probably going to be just as good. I got a dart code here. I'll throw that just for a basic comparison. The only comparison it's going to be for is the same cover, because the weight block is completely different, being asymmetric and huge. Let me get another one here with this Night Road. I'll grab the dart code, and you guys can see the difference. Match split into 8-9. What more you want? Okay, we got the dart code now. It's basically the same layout. Yeah, you can see inside, because of that core, it wants to slow it down a little bit more. I'll move right here a little bit with this dart code. Should be okay. You can see it pick up now. One more. I'll roll this dart code through the middle. That gets it moving. We'll get a couple more with this Night Road in. We'll wrap this video up. Remember, like and subscribe. The more subscribers we get, the more I can do these videos. Little right. Okay. Whoop. We're not going to end on that. But I think everybody can see this ball is definitely not slow or lacking motion. Like I say, it could be different in your centers, but most of our house shot centers in my area are higher friction, so. It's about perfect. I don't know what you could ask for. That's going to wrap it up for the Night Road. Chuck Reynolds, I'm out.